Welcome to Vottun. To start using Vottun's Web3 API platform, you first need to register with an email and password. Once you have registered, validate your account with the email we will have sent you. After registering and logging in with our account, we enter the Vottun app, a central hub where users can manage their Vottun accounts and access all the various Vottun services. From here, we launch the Web3 API platform, used for creating and managing the access to your apps. In the homepage, we can see all the metrics related to our account, the credits spent, the API activity, and the API calls performed. Next is the Wallets page, where we can manage our wallet accounts and see their balances in each network. Remember that, in order to perform transactions in the blockchain, our account must be funded with tokens in order to pay the gas fees. In the Projects page, we can create our different projects and manage their app IDs, which will be used for accessing the APIs. Just by setting the project data and associating a wallet to it, we can create a new project. The app ID will be necessary in all API calls. The other credential that is required for accessing the APIs are the API keys. These grant access to the different Vottun APIs. In order to create a new API key, we must set a name and all the roles associated with it, the environment, permissions, and services we want to have access to. Similarly to the app ID, API keys will also be necessary in all API calls. This key must be copied in a safe place. You won't be able to see it again after closing the modal. The team page is used for creating accounts for members of your team, so that you can share access tokens, projects, and wallets. Lastly, in the Docs page, you can navigate through some of the most relevant API documentation. Don't hesitate to explore these resources in order to jumpstart your Web3 journey. This is it. Now you know how to access and manage the Vottun platform.